Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, we're going to take a look at some lights that were sent out to me to review from VIFLY. Now these, the Neo 2 Halo, these will attach directly to the aircraft frame. But as you guys see here, I have this carbon fiber protection on this drone, which I will have to remove because I don't believe it's going to work. And primarily the reason why is because of the way that the bottom of the infrastructure is built into this frame. So if you guys have this, before you start dropping it down in the comments, yes, you will have to remove this if you're going to use these lights on the Neo 2. So I'm going to get right to that. Let's go ahead and take this off, and then we'll open the box, take a look at everything that's in the box, and then get this guy set up with his new set of lights. All right, guys, as you can see, I've completely disassembled the original frame. And now it's just a matter of putting this piece back on, which I do recommend, especially if you're going to be flying your drone and using a controller. You will need this. All right, so I know some of you guys are probably curious, what am I going to do with the frame? I think what I'm going to do is, if anybody wants this frame, but first I will be testing the lights to determine if they're going to be exactly what I want on this specific aircraft. And if that is the case, then what I will probably do is bag up this frame, which I'm going to do anyway, and then I will gift it to one of you guys. All you have to do is leave comments down below as to why you would want it. Make sure you're following and subscribe, and you will be automatically entered based on your comments. But I'm going to go ahead and put everything in a Ziploc bag. All right, guys, so let's get to what we get in the box. So from our friends over at VIFLY, first thing we're greeted with is going to be this little operator guide card, and it has an instructional video that you can scan the QR code in order to watch. Here's the lights. That's pretty much everything that's in the box, at least in my box. All right, so let's take our lights out. All right, so here are the lights. This is your left and right side for mounting, and you will have to connect these. This is going to loop around and connect onto the front of the frame. Now for this drone, because I did take the top covers off, I will have to reattach those. So you need those on, so that you have this little piece right here for it to catch on to, okay? So let's go ahead and just pop these back on. All right, sorry, I had to do a little bit of that off camera, but as you guys can see, now we have our top protectors back on. And then these are going to just clip right onto the drone itself. And let's see, is there a left and right? Yeah, it should be. So this should be your left. Okay, I'm just looking underneath to make sure everything fits properly. So that should line up like so. And then we're going to take this side here, and this is going to clip around here and do basically the same thing. I know I'm just fumbling with it. All right, and clip that on. So these are going to clip right past this little section right here, and it's going to clip over this top section here. That's going to hold everything in place. Then you have your bottom section where everything is going to connect, which is right here. And this is also going to provide you with a landing light. So this, for the most part, just fits on at the bottom. Like so. Let's push that guy in there, make sure it's in there tight. And then these little cables here are going to fit inside like so. One on either side. And there you have it. Okay, so now we have our light attached. Let's see if we have any power. It is written right here, power on and off. So that's this button. So you're going to press and hold. And there we go. you guys can see our lights are now on. Press one time, should switch through the different colors. So your landing light button is here, which you can turn on and off from here. And let's go to single color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there we go, all the way back. So we have all the different colors of the spectrum, the rainbow colors. And then, like I said, this is going to be really easy to charge it as well. You're just going to plug in right here with the USB. This is 3D printed for those who might be curious. So are most of these other components. But I think this is going to still be very durable on this drone. So just pick the color that you like and you're pretty much good to go. Now, of course, you can fly this drone just like before, by hand launching it if you wanted to. You still have access to all of your controls down here. Everything seems to be on here really well. So I don't feel any give whatsoever. Nothing's loose. Nothing feels like it's going to just fly off of the drone. So I do like that. So the only thing we're left to do now is to test fly this drone. And I'll let you guys know what I think. All right, guys, so my final thoughts on these lights. I can honestly tell you I do like these a lot. For me, these are exactly what I wanted for this drone, to be able to fly it during twilight hours and have a nice little landing light as well. That's going to help with your obstacle avoidance. So yeah, this is a win, guys. So if you're interested in adding a little bit of bling to your Neo 2, this might be exactly what you're looking for, guys. So as I mentioned before, I will be most likely gifting the original carbon fiber frame to someone who might be interested in that. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video with someone else that might have a Neo 2 that could benefit from that frame. But if you're like me and you're looking for something that's going to really give you some visibility, some cool factors when it comes to flying one of these drones, you might be more interested in getting yourself a set of these VIFLY Neo 2 halo lights. Yeah, these guys are straight up fire. All right, guys, I'll catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.